And this person doesn't think that he should keep that noise down on New Year's Eve. He thinks that's acceptable. People are trying to enjoy themselves and drink alcohol, and this guy's making this noise. This guy, he thinks that this is acceptable. Like he thinks that people don't know that he's invaded this country with this shit. Right? This guy's a fake person, right? He doesn't come from this country. He's trying to wreck businesses and make people have heart attacks. Yo, I'm very serious when I tell you that.